Hey there, and thank you so much for watching. Today's video is an extreme deep cleaning routine. It never fails. About once a month, my place turns into an absolute mess. So I wanted to give you some deep cleaning motivation in case yours gets like this too. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's get started. The first place I love to start cleaning is the kitchen. It's the focal point of our apartment, and if it's messy, it will make the rest of the space look messy as well. Here I'm unloading and reloading the dishwasher so that it can run while I am cleaning the rest of the space.
That I still don't know. It's time for me to move on. I want you right here, but you're all across the globe. Never call me back, even though you're on your phone. Wishful thinking gets the best of me. Hoping that it's still you and me. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I don't. I do not want to give you more of my life. I do not want to give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now. Not sure
If you haven't already subscribed, I would love to have you. If you're enjoying this video, make sure you like it and let me know what you'll like to see next from me in the comments.
I'm all in with my mind. Will you ever call me back? How am I supposed to go if we never said goodbye? Reading through our convo, trying to find where it went wrong. Baby, I'll be fine if you text me one last time. Wishful thinking gets the worst of me. Hoping that it's still you and me. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that.
Now I'm moving on to the other side of the kitchen, and here are all the products I'll be using to clean with today. I've been loving this orange clove multi-purpose spray from Mrs. Meyer's. It has such a lovely clean scent that lasts for such a long time, and if you haven't already purchased it, if it's still available, go and grab it.
How can I give you more of my life? Movies make it look so easy. 15 minutes then you.
Even though we live in an apartment, I still want to take good care of all of the appliances, so that way when we move out, we don't have too much to clean. It will make moving a breeze. I like to let that stove top cleaner sit on for a little bit before I scrub it off.
Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I don't. I do not want to give you more of my life. I do not want to give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now. Not sure if I'll make it out. I do not want to give you more of my life. Oh, hey, I told myself that maybe he ain't worth it. Too bad I hate advice. 'Cause out of sight and out of mind is perfect. It's so hard to decide. Oh, I know he got me good in his pocket. I know that I'm just a treat. Well, the taste is bitter.
I'm cleaning the remaining dishes that I have, and a little trick I have for getting these flip-top bottles nice and shiny is to use white vinegar and really hot water. I didn't have white vinegar here, so I used apple cider, but what I do is I add some hot water, give it a really good shake, rinse a few times with some cold water, and you are good to go.
Three for the night, all in or nothing, not gonna stop, dance till the morning light. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you. He looks at me like I know what he's thinking, but I don't have a clue. True talent in avoiding coming.
onto the sink, I love using the Barkeeper's Friend and a scrubbing brush to remove the stuck on food and just give it a good shine. And I like to do this about once or twice a month.
I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you.
Later in the day now, I'm tidying up the living room and I'll be redecorating it a bit, so make sure you're subscribed to see how I give it a nice refresh for the spring. To mopping, I also try to do this a couple times a month. I find that dark floors hide any dirt, so I always want to make sure it is nice and So what you're seeing now is I'm assembling our new bar cart / storage space for the dining area. Like I said in my previous video, this new apartment's kitchen is a lot smaller, so I've been looking for the perfect unit that is both stylish and functional and also affordable, and the IKEA Kallax in this dark color is perfect. So what I did was I left that middle divider out to leave more room for alcohol and our wine glasses or any kind of cocktail glasses, and I think that was the best decision ever. It looks really cute in this middle section and I've been loving it. Alright, it's the next day and I'm on to folding laundry. While I clean, I always like to multitask by washing our towels, clothes, everything that needs to be cleaned. So that way the next day or later in that day, I can just go ahead and fold everything and put it away.
There's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Riding on the dizzying heights. Felt like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I, floating on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. I'm standing on the dizzying heights.
I think I mentioned these Clorox toilet bowl cleaners in my last video, but honestly, they are a game changer. If you don't already have them, run and go get them, girl. They clean so well. It has a really nice scent, and I feel like it's so much more sanitary than traditional brushes because you can just throw them away and then you're good to go. I'm almost done with the bathroom. I'm going to clean the shower, and yes, I accidentally turned the shower on with my butt and it got my back all wet. So what can I say? I'm getting thick with 2 C's over here.
Living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Standing on the dizzying heights. Everything's so much better. Riding high on your river.
Going to end my day by mopping and folding the last of the laundry. Yay, we made it. If you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you very soon in my next video. Bye.